Guys, ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ ṣé gan. Èmi ọmọ yín, èmi ti yín náà ni. It's me, Handy Deolu, life and direct in Cairo. I love you so much. Please, I thank you for how far you guys have been with me. How far we thank you for everything. It's a successful one. You guys have been helping me. You have been supporting me. Fans, I love you. Viewers, I love you. One love. Please, I still need you to support me. Even on my Facebook, Yewande Hannah Didiolu. That is my name on Facebook. Yewande, please just follow me. You don't need to add me. Yeah, just it's. I would have said you should be adding, but it's somehow complicated. Please, just follow me. Just like me, follow me, please. I really need you. And on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you back. On Facebook, follow me, like me, please. Trust me. Trust me. It's somehow I would have said you should add me. Any Facebook you see, you don't need to add. But it's somehow complicated. It is Facebook that I've been using for years. So I don't think, and I just start my something. I don't buy unless I open another Facebook. But that is not for now. I don't have the time right now. But if I open another Facebook, it will be easier for you to add me. Okay, as friends, we will be friends, we will be acquaintancy. But now I need you to follow and like. On Instagram, follow, I'm gonna follow back. I love you. Yeah, please, before I go further concerning my continuation on, I want to thank the Facebook fackers, either you are in total or partially. I thank you guys for coming once again. You guys are awesome. But I believe we can both do it together to end the beef between the Oduduwas. A lè ṣe é. Olúkálùkù ń bọ́ síta wọ́n wá ń sọ èrò ọkàn wọn. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń jàjà Facebook. Gbogbo wa náà kúkú ní mi ilé yọ́rá mi. Nǹkan tó bá ti bọ́jú ó ti bá mú. Ṣó ti yé wa? So I want to finalize the continued saga over the program I'm doing for Auto Bola in the name of Auto Bola, because there have been complaints about her. But before I continue, please, I want to apologize on behalf of Auto Bola fans. You people are powerful. Fans, you people are awesome. Followers and fans. Auto Bola ò jẹ́ kọ́yán yín kéré. Àwa go ò jẹ́ kọ́yán yín kéré. Kéèyàn tó lè fi nǹkan tó ń ṣe sílẹ̀, before you can say anything you are doing in your private life can be pending. You want to go and follow so and so just because you appreciate them. The Bible says it's only by grace. Nobody is paying a dime before you can be a fan and a follower. You guys are awesome. Please, I'm apologizing on Auto Bola's behalf. And I want to urge us, fans, lovers, ẹ̀yin tiwa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ní ẹ̀mí títa sí rere. Lóòótọ́ ọmọ mi Esabod sọ nígbà náà pé scammer ti pọ̀ jù, especially on the media of Facebook. She lamented. She even make instances nígbà yẹn pé ta la tún fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ mọ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi lára àwọn tó fi ṣàpèjúwe ìgbà yẹn Anna Mayowa ì tí padà sọ́dọ̀ wọn. Wọ́n fi mọ́mí Anna Mayowa ṣe example pé wọ́n láwọn bí ìbejì, àwọn tún sanwó ìbejì. Wọ́n ní kí lorúkọ lady yìí tó jẹ́ bí god sister fún Àbíkẹ́, senior Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban. Òun náà jẹ́ Àbíkẹ́ kìíní communications. That she also collected money. That lady even came out that time and came for Mummy Esabod that time, begin to insult Mummy Esabod. So she said she has ceremony a lot of scam. That is why she refused Auto Bola. And I learned from, I told you, Mummy Esabod is one of those that brought me this far. She's really a role model. She's one of those. She's not the only one. I have a lot of role models. Bukky Wright, Shadi Okoya, Nike Oshinowo. I have a lot of, do you understand? That they have brought me this far. So, please, I want to apologize. We are all humans. She will apologize. I believe. I've not been talking to her. She will apologize. Fans, we are sorry. So, mo kàn fẹ́ continue pé mo bá ọmọ Ajagunna, Omidan, Princess Auto Bola sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ẹ jọ̀ọ́, people are very, very impressionable. Sherry, ọ̀rọ̀ yín yé mi o, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín, ó yé mi gidi látàrí ìrírí tí mo ti rí, kì í ṣe nípa iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe nìkan. Èmi gan, gẹ́gẹ́ bí sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ as a presenter ọ̀rọ̀ ń gbé inú mi gidi látàrí gbogbo ètò tá à ń ṣe yìí tí mo lè sọ ju bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ ṣùgbọ́n ayé máa fẹ̀ lójú wọn á dẹ̀ sọ̀yàn lẹ́nu àgàgà èrò nàìjíríà àwọn èèyàn wa nàìjíríà bá ṣe ń ronú torí ẹ̀ mo kàn máa ń wo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tí ò ń ṣọmọ nàìjíríà tó máa ń pariwo nàìjíríà lọ́tún nàìjíríà lósì wọ́n burú o ìsúnmọ́ni làmọ̀ ṣe ẹni mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ wọn ará ilé mi kì í ṣe èbú. If you don't study the mentality of people, Nigeria's mentality is somehow. They don't weigh issues most times. Nigerians, me, I understand my fellow people. All the tribes, we don't weigh issue from both sides. We have a lot of us that we are so exposed. They have spent they have been traveling here and there. Still, they lack exposure. Nigerians will always be Nigerian. Lady Auto Bola ṣe gbọ́. Àwíjàre kankan ò sí fún yín. Àwọn èèyàn ń tẹ̀lé yín ní tòótọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ ní àwọn náà làwọn tún bínú ẹjọ́ mo kò fẹ́ rọ̀ yín ẹ fi ọgbọ́n ṣe bíbélì ní ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ náà fi ọgbọ́n ṣe tẹ bá ti ń bọ̀ tá máa ṣe ṣó yín. Ayé òfò òótọ́ díẹ̀ láyé fẹ́. Òótọ́ díẹ̀ láyé fẹ́. Tẹ bá sọ gbogbo tinú yín tán àwọn tó máa fẹ́ lójú tó máa mú yín sínú àbí tó máa rí yín bí ọ̀tá ó ló pọ̀ jù. Tí n bá ṣí ikùn mi fún ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mo ti mọ orí èèyàn táwọn èèyàn wa jẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ wọ́n máa rí wa bí ọ̀tá ni òun ló ṣe máa ń jẹ́ kí n rọra máa yan bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé a jẹ́ iṣẹ́ fún èmi pé ọ̀nà mi ni kí n lọ jíṣẹ́ t'Olúwa rán mi síbẹ̀ mò ń fi ọgbọ́n ṣe é. Èèyàn àbìdíyàn yàn our people can be something else they are awesome níbi tí àwọn èèyàn wa dàdé tó bá rẹ̀ tó ń ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ báyìí tó ń ṣe ribiribi the way tó ṣe máa gbá tẹ̀lé nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n bó ṣe ń gbá tẹ̀lé wa tó ẹni tó ń wá ṣìṣe wa ló pọ̀ jù kọ́mọ aráyé ṣe rí nìyẹn. Tíyàn bá rọra kẹ́bẹ̀ báyìí tó bá rọra kù díẹ̀ káàtó báyìí wọ́n máa fi gbé bọ́nu tẹ́ máa rò pé nǹkan míì ti wọ̀ ni. Òun la ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣọ́ra torí pé ilẹ̀ ń yọ̀. Ṣé wá rí followers bó ṣe wà yẹn kì í ṣe Auto Bola nìkan ó bá gbogbo wa rí wọn lágbára gan-an ibi tí ẹnu dé ojú ò máa dé bẹ́ẹ̀. Followers ò ń ṣe téèyàn lè máa ṣe pé come get out come go to hell. Kódà téèyàn bá lè fẹ́ràn wọn tóyàn bá lè mọ̀ wọn ara èèyàn lọ́dọ̀ èèyàn ju bó ṣe mọ̀ wọn ara ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí èèyàn lọ. Wọ́n dàbí igi téèyàn fojú ré náà ní tó yẹ pé téèyàn ò bá ṣọ́ra odò téèyàn fojú ré náà tó lè gbé èèyàn lọ. Followers ń ṣiṣẹ́ ribiribi fans ń ṣiṣẹ́ ribiribi ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ má jẹ́ ká kọyàn wọn kéré. Kì í ṣe Auto Bola nìkan ló bá gbogbo àwa ta nílò ayé láti gbárùkù tiwa ló bá wí. Gbogbo àwa pátá ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí followers bá ní ibi báyìí ní bàtà tí ń tà wọ́n lẹ́sẹ̀ nípa wa ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kíyèsára. Like I've been lamenting, followers are so powerful. They are extremely powerful. If you have followers, you are lucky. If you have followers, you have fans, you are lucky. Don't underrate your followers. Don't underrate them, come what may. It should be a lesson for anybody that whatever you are into, you need fans. Don't take them for granted. If they said you offended them, admit it. To you, it might be other way around that how did I offend you? Don't front. Don't be difficult towards your fans. And be wise in dealing with them. Especially when you have Nigerian fans. That Lord will help us. Lady Auto Bola, mo rọ̀ yín ní orúkọ t'Ọlọ́run, mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo ètò tí mò ń ṣe á dọ́dọ̀ yín. Bí ò dọ́dọ̀ yín dàrẹ̀ lé aláwọn tó máa ní ẹ wò lady kan tún ti jáde, please. Mo fẹ́re fún yín, mo fẹ́ dáadáa fún yín. Mi ò bá yín wí. Ẹ má dẹ̀ bu ayé tó ń bá yín wí. Ẹ kàn jẹ́ kí ti yín yé yín. Sàláwá Àbẹ̀ní, wọ́n mi wá Sàláwá Àbẹ̀ní sọ nínú orin ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní tàwọn yé àwọn, ayé purọ́purọ́ tàwọn yé àwọn, wọ́n ṣọ̀tẹ̀. Ẹ kàn jẹ́ kí ti yín yé yín. Nǹkan tí mo máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. The world might not understand me, but I make sure I understand myself perfectly. There are some sorry that we might have to say. There are some apology that we might have to take that might be difficult. Let's swallow our pride. Come out and address your fans. Embrace them. Even including the people that you know that they are haters. Let's leave Facebook fracas aside now. I'm not implying Facebook fracas. Torí tẹ́ bá wo ìrìn àjò yín lórí mídíà, ọmọ Ajagun or Princess Auto Bola, before èmi máa ń wò yín gan, you have your things in control. Kò sẹ́ńtẹ́ follow nínú àwọn Facebook fracas yálà ọmọ ayé àbọ̀mọ èjì nísìn wọ́n ti drag ẹ̀yin náà wọbẹ̀. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, you maintain your stand, you are able to control everything. Bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé nǹkan kan pa yín pọ̀ pẹ̀lú A àbí nǹkan kan pa yín pọ̀, you are able to maintain your balance. But nísìn kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe ń bọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ewé, ẹ̀yin àti ayé ẹ̀tù ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà. Tẹ́ bá ṣe ń bọ́ lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ ajé tí ò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ̀ ń ṣe ṣóò ti yín ni. Ìjà ò pa yín pọ̀ mọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́lẹ̀. Nǹkan tí ò kọ̀ yéra lẹ́yìn méjèèjì fi ń yéra yín. Táwọn ewé bá so ilé ìmọ̀ràn tó jọmọ́ ti yín, ẹ̀ bọ́ta ẹ̀ wá clarify bó ṣe ń lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ nìyẹn. You were never among the Facebook fracas. But along the line, téèyàn bá ṣe mistake tí ò yẹ kéèyàn ṣe níbi tí táwọn fans ti wọ̀ nígbà tó lè lọ change beat ẹ change orin. Please, we need these people. Ọmọ Ajagun náà mo bá yín wí. Máa jàmọ̀ sálàfí máa kíkanjú. Akíkanjú tó bá mọ̀jà tí ò mọ̀ta. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ akíkanjú tẹ́ jẹ́, ó máa bógun bòmí lọ ni. Ká dúpẹ́ báwọn bàbá yóò bógun mí lọ. Ìgbà tásìkò tó ni wọ́n lọ. Please, come out and embrace your fans, including the haters. You really need it now. Because things are going bloody, are going gaga. Ẹ má fojú fo àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn pé ó normal káyé kò dìde síyàn. Ibì kan ló ti ń sun wá. Negligence, carelessness is rampant, is uncalled for. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Please, they need you. Wọ́n rán mi sí yín. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni nǹkan tó fi rán mi sí yín. But èmi nígbàgbọ́ pé òkú ìhórí ká wà rere. There is always two sides to a coin. Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Come and embrace your loved ones. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Come and embrace them. Oòduà gbè wá, á júṣe fún wa. Ẹ ṣé. Thank you guys. I love you. Please follow me, like me.